Hello. So today we will talk about the ISO certification. What is ISO certification? ISO certification is issued by the International Standard Organization. ISO is an independent organization that sets the standard for the business and in terms of quality, safety, and the quality and efficiency of the products. So ISO certification is an international standard certification system. So through this video I will tell you in detail that what is ISO certification, how you will get ISO certification for a product, and what are the benefits of ISO certification, what is the procedure, what are the documentation part that should be fulfilled while getting the ISO certification. So how Lodox can help you through this process. So let's start. An ISO registration in essence enhance the reputation of your service or product. There are different types of ISO. There are different types of ISO certification like ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 5001, etc. Of all the ISO standard, ISO 9000 series is the most popular. ISO 9000 is a set of international standard for quality management and quality assurance. So these are the various kinds of ISO certification: ISO 9000, ISO 5001, ISO 14001. ISO brings together experts to share knowledge and develops voluntary consensus based market relevant international standards that support innovation and provide solution to global challenges. They give world class specification for products, services, and system to ensure quality, safety, and efficiency. So generally ISO certification will get you international recognition for your products. So what are the benefits associated with ISO certification? There are strategical benefits for your business and for your products. ISO international standard ensure that products and services are safe, reliable, and good quality. For business, they are strategic tools and reduce cost by minimizing waste and errors and increasing productivity. They help companies to access new markets, level the playing field for developing countries. It gives an organization and platform that is recognized by game changers and decision makers. Identification of recurrent issues and resolve them save valuable times and financial support. Process becomes more efficient and which improve the system. Through ISO certification, the process becomes more efficient, which improve the system, overall system. They give a company to a competitive edge needed during contract tenders. The same resources lead to more value and worth. The perception the customers hold on business increases tenfold and consequently satisfaction rises. These are the some additional benefits. Nowadays, government tenders and proposal accepted only that it is that the business are ISO certified. So tender are available to those business entities who are certified by the ISO certification. Since ISO certification meet in international standard, they help businesses reach global customer. A flawed product is duly rejected when the standards at an international level are adhered to. Those rejection rarely occurs. An ISO 9000 certification will set your business or organization on the path of profit and set it on par with world standard. So these are the benefits associated with the ISO certification. ISI certification is related with Indian standard, while the ISO certification is related with international standard certification. What is the procedure? At first, you have to complete ISO form. An online form of ISO application has to be filled with the complete information and your corresponding documents. Some of the data would be like details and or the nature of the business, company address, and years of operation. Then you have to provide consultation on registration type, because ISO has many types of certification, and hence it is highly recommended that you consult an expert to select the best accreditation standard that fits. Lodox may help you to decide what kind of certification your business required. So next part is document submission. After that, the document shall be submitted, then an ISO audit shall be done. After all these procedure, the ISO certification will be issued in favor of your organization, in favor of your product. If the audit is successful, in such cases the ISO certification shall be issued. So it may further courier to your business address. So now the next part is what are the documents requirement. Copy of acknowledgement received from portal, screenshot of the online file submission is required, address proof, business license, signatory for application, form 6, brand name, undertaking, authorization, Indian representative or affidavit, test report. These are the documents which are required while applying for the ISO certification. How the Lodox can help you. Lodox is a well known name in this segment. Lodox expert will guide you in any business matter related with the ISO certification. We will provide you quality certification of various types. You will get expert assistant. You may inquire if you have some inquiry regarding the specialized information or specified information regarding the ISO certification. You may fill this inquiry now form or submit it. So these are the relevant information regarding the ISO certification, which is international standard organization. So thank you.